to the next installment of my video lecture series in microeconomics. And in this particular video lecture, I'm going to be taking a look at a very particular question from my microeconomic principles course. And this relates to elasticity, and it is text problem 2.8. And here is a screen capture of the actual question. I changed the numbers around a little bit. I just want to show students how they can actually do this problem. I think the major issue that students who could not do this problem is that their algebra skills had gotten a little rusty and had forgotten how to do some algebraic manipulation. So studies have fixed the short-run price elasticity of demand for gasoline at the pump at negative 0.50. Suppose that international hostilities lead to a sudden cutoff of crude oil supplies. As a result, U.S. supplies of refined gasoline drop by 10%. If gasoline were selling for $1.80 per gallon before the cutoff, what new price would you expect to see in the coming months? And the question gives you a little hint. Use the absolute value of the gasoline coefficient and treat all values as positive. So we remember the price elasticity is equal to the percent change in the quantity divided by the percent change in the price. We are given the price elasticity and we're given the percent change in the quantity. So we can insert them into the formula, and now we have to find the percent change in the price. To do this, we do some very basic algebraic manipulation. We'll start by multiplying both sides by the percent change in the price. And this will cause the percent change in the price on the right-hand side to cancel one another out. So we end up with the percent change in the price multiplied by 0.5, the price elasticity of demand, equals 10%. And we want to get the percent change in the price on its own. So we divide both sides by 0.5. 0.5s cancel one another out. And the percent change in the price is then 10% divided by 0.5, which is equal to 20%. We want to find out what the new price is going to be. So what we have to do is take the original price and multiply by the price change. So the price change is going to be 20%. So we have the original price multiplied by 0.2 times 1.8 will give us the new price. So 180 plus 36 cents will give us a new price of $2.16. So this particular question, I think the score for the entire class was roughly 65% on this. So, looking at the class as a whole, every student, people got about 65% of the credit, which is quite low for the questions in this course. And in looking at the people who had difficulties in the attempts, to me it seemed like the likeliest explanation was the fact that they had a problem with the algebraic manipulation. So if you had a particular problem with that question, hopefully this little video tutorial will help you brush up on your algebra skills and also help you to work out this problem in the future, particularly if it shows up on the first test of the semester.